Welcome to CMX. Today we're embarking on a journey to uncover the top 5 hidden places on Earth, places so remarkable, so awe-inspiring, that you might doubt their very existence. From the shores of remote islands to the depths of fiery deserts, these hidden gems offer glimpses into the extraordinary diversity and captivating beauty of our planet. Stay tuned to discover these incredible destinations, learn about their unique stories, and find out how you can witness their wonders firsthand. Please like, comment, replay, share, and subscribe. Our first destination takes us to the Indian Ocean, to an island seemingly untouched by time. This is Socotra, a place where the forces of isolation have sculpted a landscape and nurtured life unlike anywhere else on Earth. Imagine a world painted in vibrant hues of green, where ancient dragon's blood trees with their upturned umbrella-like canopies dot the landscape. Look closer, and you'll find bizarre succulents and desert roses, their swollen trunks a testament to the island's arid climate. Socotra is a living laboratory of evolution, home to over 700 endemic species found nowhere else on the planet. The Socotri people, who have lived in harmony with this unique ecosystem for centuries, add to the island's allure, their ancient traditions and warm hospitality, as captivating as the landscape itself. To reach this extraordinary island, one must journey to Sayun in Yemen, from where a short flight will transport you to this lost world. Our next stop takes us to the heart of the Karakum Desert in Turkmenistan, to a site that evokes both awe and trepidation, the Darvaza gas crater, more ominously known as the Door to Hell. Imagine a colossal pit, a gaping maw in the earth, consumed by a raging inferno that has burned unceasingly for over 5 decades. The crater, a testament to the power of natural gas and the unintended consequences of human intervention, blazes day and night, casting an eerie glow across the desolate landscape. In 1971, Soviet engineers, while drilling for oil, accidentally punctured a massive natural gas pocket. Fearing the release of methane gas, they decided to ignite the crater, believing it would burn off in a matter of days. Little did they know, they had created a fiery spectacle that would captivate the world for generations to come. Reaching the Door to Hell requires a journey through the vast expanse of the Karakum Desert, a stark reminder of the power and unpredictability of nature. Our journey takes us to the borders of Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana. Here, amidst the clouds, rises Mount Roraima, a tabletop mountain that has captivated explorers for centuries. Its sheer cliff-like walls rise dramatically from the rainforest below. Carnivorous plants and endemic species have evolved in isolation atop this ancient plateau. This natural wonder continues to inspire awe and wonder. The next destination takes us to the heart of the American Southwest, to a place where the power of erosion has sculpted a landscape of breathtaking beauty. Hidden within the Paria Canyon Vermilion Cliffs, wilderness in Arizona, lies the Wave, a sandstone formation so surreal, so mesmerizing that it seems to defy description. Imagine a landscape of swirling, undulating patterns where vibrant hues of ochre, crimson, and gold dance across the sandstone canvas. The Wave's mesmerizing patterns are the result of eons of wind and water erosion, a testament to the slow, relentless power of nature. Its fragile beauty, however, is carefully protected, with access limited to a small number of visitors each day, chosen by a lottery system. Those fortunate enough to win a permit must be prepared for a challenging hike through the desert, guided by nothing more than a map and compass. But the reward is well worth the effort, a chance to witness firsthand the artistry of nature and the passage of geologic time. Our final destination takes us to the turquoise waters of General Carrera Lake, nestled in the heart of Patagonia. Hidden beneath the surface lies a world of ethereal beauty, the marble caves, sculpted by water over millennia. Imagine a labyrinth of smooth, swirling walls, reflecting the azure hues of the lake above. Sunlight illuminates the caverns in a spectacular display of light and shadow. The caves, formed by the erosive power of the lake's waters, are a testament to nature's artistry. Our journey through Earth's hidden wonders comes to an end, but the spirit of adventure lives on. These 5 destinations, each remarkable in its own right, are just a glimpse into the countless wonders that await those who dare to venture off the beaten path. So embrace your curiosity, pack your bags, and set off on your own adventure to discover the hidden gems of our planet.